Hi everyone. So you might be wondering, why do you even need to learn Linux commands? The reason is simple. Many servers, cloud systems, programming tools, and data science tools run on Linux. Learning a few basic commands help you understand how computer work and lets you manage files, processes, and system resources more efficiently. So don't worry if you do not have a Linux computer. You can install Linux directly, use a virtual machine, or simple use WSL on Windows, which gives you a Linux terminal without leaving Windows. Okay, so let's start with some basic Linux commands. So our first command is pwd, whose full name is present working directory, which will tell us current working directory. Okay, so let's check. We are at home Shivani. So this tells us our current working directory. ls ls will list all the files and folders which are in our current working directory. Okay, if you want to see this in listing format, then see, this is how this will look like. If you want to see the hidden file, because there are some hidden files also, see. Then let's jump to uname, which is Unix name, which will show system information. Okay, so this is Linux. PS will show processing, the full form is processing system. This will tell us which are the running processes, new running processes. Okay, so we can clear it, we can clear the screen, or you can use Control plus L. Then we have this thing, I will tell you. So we are at this part right now. Okay, if you want to move to one level up, then you will type this. Let's check, where are we? We are at home directory, so we get to one level up. Okay, now we came back to our previous directory, because cd dash will help us return to the previous directory. If you want to move at home directory, see, because this is already home directory. Suppose I tell you about ls, okay, and suppose you forget that what it's actually do, so then you can take the help from man ls. Okay, this will be information you need for a particular command. Okay, so man ls read the manual page, so this is basically manual page for ls. To exit the manual page, just press q. Now we have date, calendar, so some interesting commands. Date, as you can see, date is 22 June, Monday, and time is also there, so we can also print it in this manner. So this is written in the RFC 5322 format. Okay, I do not know much, but yeah. Okay, so then move to calendar. Obviously calendar, this is a current month calendar. Okay, if you want to know particular month of 2026, then just print, suppose March. Okay, see, calendar, then month name, number, name, it can be also name, and year. Okay, so cal March 2026. See, so for that we use ncal. So ncal display calendar in an alternative format. Okay, it's a vertical format. And next command is free. Free will tell us the memory statistics or of our computer. So this is not very human readable. So see, so let's learn how to create a directory. mkdir mydir 1. So this has been made. This is a directory. If you want to check, let's check it. We can type file in the file name to know the type of the file. This is directory. Now let's learn how to create a file. Okay. So touch my file. See, this has been created and let's check file. This is empty. I mean, this is file. We have not write anything yet. And it's not about chmod. So what is chmod? To change the mode. Um, chmod we use to change permissions of the file. Let me tell you in a specific manner. So to give the permissions basically. So as you can see, read, write, execute. So for read we use R, for write we use W, and X for execute. And there are three things: owner, group, and others. Okay, for shortcut you can learn like USG, like user group and user group and others. Sorry, user group and others, UGO. Okay, so let me show you by example. Okay, suppose we have a file which we have created, my file one. Okay, let's check about. Okay, so this has this much permissions. Okay, it's a normal file, it's a regular file, and this has read and write and execute for user. So this has been divided into three chunks. Like uh, first one for telling the type of the file, and then next third for telling the permissions of the user, and then second next three for group, and last three for others. Let's change the its permissions. Okay, so we use chmod, and for user we want to give permissions of execution. So u plus x. So now if we check, see, this has now permissions of execute. Okay, and we can also use numbers. Chmod 721. So what does it mean? Let me tell you. For 2 we use w, for x we use 1, and its total is 7. Okay, so suppose if I did this, then what will happen? Let's check. Now it has permissions like this. This is very different from this one. Okay, so what I have done, I have removed the permissions of reading, okay, from others, and I have only given the permission of write to group. Okay, UGO. So this is all about chmod change mode. Now let's learn about copy, move, and deleting. Suppose I want to move this file, my file one, into directory which I recently created. Okay, okay, see, this file has moved here. Let's learn about how to copy. So in this directory we have file called my file one which we have moved here. Now I want to copy it into directory, I mean one level up. Okay, see, it's also here. And if we go to I'm sure that will be here. Um, I'm sorry, but I am very bad at, yeah, my file one. This is here. So we have copied this, okay, and suppose we want to delete it, okay, from this directory. Now it has here, and if I delete it, see, this is no longer here. If I want to delete this directory also, we are add current patient, sorry. So right now we have mkdir one, and if I print this, now we no longer have mkdir one.